Hello everyone. Today going to be putting on a cabinet door. Have these hinges on here and these like this, but one of them broke on the other side. So have the cabinet there and got the inside of the door here. We already took one of the things out. And then I'm going to show you how to take the other thing out so you can get a replacement part. Put them in their thing, I guess hinge, one half of the hinge. And then show you how to reinstall it, hopefully quickly. So to get this half of the hinge out that sticks into the door, just unscrew it real quick. Then I found like this worked pretty good. Get like a pocket knife and just put the sharp end under there a little bit, lift it up a little bit. Kind of work one side up, maybe work the other side, maybe put something under one end, maybe your finger once you get high enough. There you go, and just kind of work it out of there. So that's done. And it said to go ahead and for these new hinges, go ahead and put the new hinges in there. So it should go right back in there. And those screws that you just used, oh boy, just use them to reattach the new hinge there. Screw it down. Oops. Hopefully you have the same size opening and all that. Just screw it down tight. Okay. So there's that one. Then the other one here. Just screwing that one down most of the way before I do the other one. Alright. Snug them both down. Okay. Now, so then we have this part up here that we already unscrewed the bottom one right there, left the two holes right there. So now we're just going to unscrew this one here. The new part of the screw on this, the new one we got, does not, it only has one screw for this side instead of two. So I'm going to have to drill another pilot hole for the one screw, and I'm going to use didn't actually give me a screw. I don't know if I can aim you up there to see what I'm doing there. Anyway, hold on a moment. I'm just going to screw the second part. Just going to have to look at the wall there for a minute. Okay, so took the second part off and the screw. So on these parts, they only have one screw hole. So I'm gonna use. They didn't give me a screw with them. Apparently they got left out of the packaging or something. So I'm gonna use like these inch and a quarter long screws here. So because I got this this much here, I figure, oops, what'd I do? I don't know what I did. Anyway, I figure I'll use one of those because I have the board for it, and since I'm only using one screw to hold this thing on, which is decently heavy, door, can't think. I'm gonna go ahead and drill pilot holes for that, and yeah, see me over here? Okay. Oh, sorry. Okay, so I'm gonna drill some pilot holes, hopefully kind of in the middle. So I'm gonna get a pencil real quick, or a mark or a pencil maybe, pencil. Got a pen. So I can hold the door up here and hopefully get the door where I want it. Holes where I want them. Might be easier with two people. I don't know. Let's see. So the door. Hold it from the top maybe. Just right up there. This is gonna be fun with one person. Hey, don't pull on your sister's dress, please. Okay, so, hey, guys, please. We'll be back.